I'm okay, you're not okay. You're okay, I'm not okay. We both are not okay. We both are okay. This is something which I had read long back in a book called I'm not okay, you're not okay. I'm okay, you're not okay. I don't remember the name of the book rightly, but it was all about what is being okay with ourselves and with the people around us is all about. So today I'm going to speak on that, and let's understand the way we feel ourselves, the way we experience the experiences of life, the way we perceive things around us, about ourselves and about others, makes what we are. I am Dr. Deepa Shetty, and I am a homeopath and a health coach. Today I will take you to the journey of what does we feel come from the way we think about anything around us. So the first way of thinking is I am not okay, you're okay. So if I feel like this, that my life is not okay, but the people around us, their life is okay, if they are succeeding, if they are experiencing love in their life, if they are, many times when I give talks or when I give speech, people try to see what is that in my life or in my surrounding that is making me okay with everything. So they will say like, you have maid in your house, so that's why it's okay. You don't have in-laws in your house, so that's why it's okay. Or you have a very disciplined child, that is why it is okay. So there will be a lot of reason where people will say see that why she is okay and I'm not okay. So that kind of thinking pattern makes you helpless. It gives the whole control to the situation and not to you. If somebody can be okay in this world in the same situation, and they can achieve everything around, or they can achieve what they want to, and they can be what they are, or they can be what they want to be, then definitely they are looking at the things in different format, in different way. The situations are not controlling them, they are in control of the situation. So rather than feeling victim to the situation and being helpless, we really should make our life the way we want to be, and I'm sure we all can. So I am not okay, you're okay is a very helpless state. It does not leave you with any choices, and it leaves whole control in the situation, and I'm sure none of us want to do that. Second is I am okay, you're not okay. So every time when we do that, we try to put blame to the other person in the relationship, or blame to the environment, blame to the situation, blame to the people in our life, and that keeps up at one up position. Like I know everything, I am aware of myself, and I am doing everything right, and it puts you into the right and wrong position. You are right and others are wrong. I am okay, but you are not okay, that's why this is not working. I am doing everything and I have done everything, but my team is not good. That's why it's not happening. So, if it is not happening, even if it is like I am a good mother or I am a good person, but my surrounding does not have a good friends, still it's an up one up position where again the whole thing, though it is in control of you, you are making yourself better and you are making yourself in a good position, but when you're blaming others, you're not getting best out of them. That doesn't work. Trust me, doesn't work. It has to be in a way that even if you have achieved somewhere and you have stood somewhere in the life and you're not able to get best out of anybody, then you haven't achieved enough. If you're not able to inspire people to be the best of themselves, you haven't achieved enough. You are actually standing in a very high ego state where you feel you cannot be wrong, you are always right, you are always perfect, and others are not. This does not serve any purpose and it doesn't build any relationship out there. The third position is I am not okay, you're also not okay. Now that leaves a very hopeless state. I mean, nothing about me is good and nothing in the environment is good. So that brings a lot of despair. That gets into your depression. That makes you feel that nothing you can control about yourself and nothing you can control about the situation. That's a very hopeless situation, and that's not the truth. Because if you are not in charge of yourself, you don't love yourself, you don't love people around you, you are not able to make choices which can make your life better, and you cannot make choices which can make others life better, you are actually not doing anything. And if you're not doing anything, nothing will move in your life. Life is a series of experiences and learnings and constantly moving forward with a definite way of change which can get you where you want to be. Shedding of the belief system which never worked for you, getting into a new learning which will work for you, knowing people, knowing situation, knowing things, being curious and experiencing life as it comes. If you have done some mistakes, it's okay. You can accept yourself like that. You can still move forward. Don't get stuck where you have done something long back. And don't get stuck from I have achieved everything and others don't know anything. It doesn't serve because we are social being. We all are together functioning in an environment which can make a growth oriented one for both of us. It doesn't work in a corporate life also where we say the team is not performing because my team is not good, or it doesn't work in a family situation also where our kids or our parents or everyone is not listening because they are not okay. So if we say they are not okay and then we say that I am also not okay, I have to blame myself, I have to blame environment, it's a totally hopeless situation. It doesn't help us. This kind of thinking you need to change by taking charge of your life and taking charge of everything that you can benefit and get and inspire people around you. The fourth important state is I am okay and you're also okay. I love myself and I love you also the way you are. I am okay and everything around me is also functioning in align with myself. This is where the strength lies. This is where the happiness lies. This is where the growth lies. This is where you can move forward and you can get best among everyone around us. Everyone likes to be around a person who makes them feel good. Everyone likes to be around the person who loves themselves and is happy and joyful. And we are in a line with our natural state, which is joy. Everything else that we think is actually very changeable and it's actually acquired. You really have to understand that we have born to be joyful state of being and we're okay all the time. What is not okay can be accepted and moved forward. You can get what you want in your life by really staying there, accepting, and once you accept, everything dissolves out there. There is nothing called negative or positive. What the way it affects you and experiences of your life, that's what it makes it positive or negative. So nothing about others is not okay. Nothing about yours is not okay. Everything is okay and everything is beautiful. Hope I could get put some value out there in every people out in your life, and hope to see you all again. Do like, share, and comment, and let me know what else I can add value in your life. Thank you for watching me and see you again. Stay tuned.